Hi guys, it's me, Ali, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see guys, nandito na ako sa airport kami because si mama, today yung flight niya. So, mahina lang boses ko because there's a lot of people dito sa likod ko. I'm here at nandito ako sa CR. And, ganito yung tsura ko kasi nahihilo ko guys. So, tignan niyo ako mag-retouch. I'm gonna wash my face now.
Be your love. Look is too trivial for you now. Oh, my life is falling apart. Maybe no one will know if I disappear. But I'll pray for you all the time.
So guys, tapos na ako sa CR mag-ayos. We're here at Clark Pampanga International Airport. Paano binili mo? Where's my kafeted? Oh, it's fries. What's that? Ano yan? Shawarma? My favorite. Hi guys, so kakainin ko lang yung all-time favorite. Shawarma. Habang naghihintay yung kapatid ko ng fries. Ayaw niya magpakita sa camera guys. Hindi ako nakapag kanina guys, intro sabay kasi nagmamadali kami. Pero, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga nangyari kanina. maglibot-libot muna tayo. Kasi, si mama, mag-check-in siya is 6 siguro. Time check, it's already 4:14 pa lang. So, maaga pa. Kasi dapat, nandun na sila sa airplane. Sa airplane is 7:50 p.m. So, mag-8 na siya. So, siguro mga, I think 7 or 6:30 is naka-check-in na siya sa loob. Pero I guess pwede pa naman lumabas if gano'n. Ang ganda na dito guys, para na siyang Manila. Up and down na siya. Noon kasi, doon, hindi pa sa up and down, no? Yung doon, sa kabila guys. Doon namin sinusundo sila mama lagi. Lagi. Bye, mom. Ma? Magkano yan? 35 pesos guys. Hindi magka-cry-cry ang babaeng ito. 2 years ago.
Nasaan ba? Ay, nasaan?
Diba? It's so ganda. It's like Manila Airport. Okay guys, later na lang. I'm gonna enjoy my food muna. Bye! So, we're here at, ano pa rin, Clark. Nahihilo ako guys. I'm so nahihilo. Kayong dalawa? I don't care na sa people here. Basta ako nahihilo. Yan ang ganda. Gumanda dito naman. Ay, may jeep pa eh. We're going to check if pwede na siyang mag-check-in. Even though maaga pa. Para akong namumutla guys because kasi kanina nagsuka-suka ako guys. Yeah. Daming tao ngayon na parating. Sana all. So, ayan. Diba? A lot of people. Alam. Against the light. Dami sasakyan. Soon ako din yung dito. Sana hindi na ako mahilo mamaya. So, yan. Maganda dito sa Click kasi pwede ka makapasok sa loob. Ayan guys. Pababa sila mama kasi kukunin na niya yung mga gamit niya. She's going to check-in kasi pwede na. Kasi yung mga kasama niya is nag-check-in na daw. Yung halos karamihan sa kanila. Pero if naka-check-in siya, she can pa naman labas. So, hintayin na natin sila dito kasi nahihilo na ako kalalakad. Tapos mag-elevator pa sila. And knowing elevator, nakakahilo siya pa ba? So, I cannot handle my hilo anymore. Kaya nagpaiwan ako dito. Palagi naman ako bumabiyahe. Nung medyo maliit ako is may hiloin talaga ako. Pero, ngayon naman is hindi na. Pero, I don't know what happened. A lot of people arrived here. And alis. Natural airport. Last month lang sinundo si mama dito tapos aalis na siya. Tignan nyo guys, mark nyo tong sinasabi ko. Next, after 2 years or 1 year I guess. 2 years, yeah. 2 years. I think 1 year or 2 years is uwi ulit si mama. Look guys. Ang ganda ng bundok. By the way guys, yung yung vlog ko nung January 1 it's supposed to be, ipopost ko siya ng January 1 ng morning or after. Yeah, afternoon na nun. But, kasi yung wifi namin is, wala siyang signal. So, naglo-load lang ako. So, naka-load lang ako today. As of now, naka-load lang ako. So, ayun. Tomorrow naman may wifi na. So, I'm gonna upload my vlog. Yung first vlog ko. So, watch nyo muna yun, guys. So, this one, I think, play ko rin siyang ma-upload because pagod ako pag-uwi. So, I don't have time to edit this video. So, yeah. We'll be right back, guys. If andito na sila, mama. Ayoko kasi maglibot-libot dito because there's a lot of people and hindi ko naman alam yung pasikat-sikat pa dito, even though halos lagi kami dito magsundo and hatid. Hindi ko pa rin alam yung rules and regulations nila. Malay mo, bawal palang mag-record dyan, tapos nakita nila ako nag-record, edi, diba? You know, if you know, you know. Okay, later na lang, guys. Sorry, I'm sabog! Ayun na, guys, nakikita ko na sila, mama. Ayun sila. Ayun. Kailangan ko mag-rush, guys, kasi late na si mother.
Side, I'll be your seasons.
So, guys, ayun sila, mama. Okay. Baby vlogger siya. So, siguro nakababa na sila. Nakakailo kasi siya, like, gumaganon siya. Tapos nauna pa ako eh. Look at them. Diyan kaya sila. Oh my God. Wala sila. Asan sila? Ayun na. Nauna pa ako, diba? Saan? Bunjing-bunjing. Watch me, guys, paano mapag-isa dito. Pamilya ko doon kumakain. Parang kukunin ni Lord. Tinatawag ako. Pa-picture ako. Ay, guys. Konting oras na lang. 6 papasok na si mama. 30 minutes.
Joy Damak. Sabaa ay nawit ko sabang nga kanto. Sabang nga kanto.
So, we are here in... Bibili ako ng gusto ko ng...
I can't be your love. My life is falling apart. Maybe not.
Tapos na kaming kumain and ano na naman ako, guys. Bakit na kami? Hi guys, kamang! Hi! After 2 years, nandito. Hi vlog. So ayun guys, papasok na kami.
Takay mo at masisilip mo pa ako dyan.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And then I will look back at all of this and wonder why I've stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it's far beyond my reach is the future you promised. Now what I never even had, I have every reason to miss, and I don't know where I could find the strength to let you go.
Ito talagang pinakamalungkot na lugar, guys. Airport. Kasi, Tony, ba't ka umiiyak?
You found another home. So before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. And I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it before it sinks in.
Jaden. Ni Tita May. Tita May. Saan si Tita May? Ay, Tita May, sabihin mo. Hindi siya Tita May.
I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in.
So hi guys, nandito kami sa daan ngayon, pauwi. Nag-stop over lang para bumili ng tubig. It's so ingay. And it's so dilim. Yeah. Sige ate, thank you po. Ingat kayo ate. Bye! So hi guys, nakauwi na kami and katatapos ko lang alis ng makeup and nag-wash lang ako ng face and yun lang, di na rin ako nakapag-vlog kanina pauwi kasi super pagod talaga ako and nakakahilo. And yeah, so I think dito ko na tatapusin yung vlog ko. Okay, so that's all guys. Umiyak ako kanina. Cry baby. Akala ko hindi na ako iyak kasi, pero I know naman na she's doing it for everything. Everything na ginagawa niya is for us, ni Ading and Papa. Matutulog na ako guys because I have pasok na tomorrow. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Do share. Good night. I love you all. Thank you for watching.